Hi friends, this video shows how to enable or disable USB debugging mode. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, tap on about phone, go down, tap on software information. Here you can see build number. On build number we need to tap 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Enter screen lock password. Tap on OK. See the message developer mode has been enabled. Then go back, go down. Now under about phone you can see new option called developer options. Tap on developer options. These are a list of developer options. From this list let me find USB debugging. Go down. Here you can see USB debugging. Let me turn on. Tap here. Tap on OK. This way we can turn on USB debugging mode. Later if you want to disable USB debugging mode, you can again come here. Then just tap here and turn off USB debugging mode. We can also turn on or off developer options here. Here you can see developer options on off button. Let me turn off developer options. Tap here. Done. I recommend to disable developer options after the use because of security issues. Go back. Go down. See now under about phone it's not showing developer options because I have disabled. This way we can enable or disable USB debugging mode and developer options. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.